Today we have I'm back with the history chapter 1. This is the part 3. Now we
Yes.
are,
And it's the last part
yeah, it is the
of
last
extra
part.
question and answers.
Yeah, so we'll revise from page 6. Why is the word past used in plural form in the title of history book? Because different groups of people had different past. In this book, which year is used as starting point to calculate time period? Year 2000. Study of past is called history. Past period for which we have records is called historical period. Past period for which no records are available is called prehistoric period. Study of remains of past is called archaeology. Signs or symbols to write something is called script. Important time periods to be remembered. About 8,000 years ago, early agriculture, um, wheat and barley grown. About 4,700 years ago, first cities developed on Indus and its tributaries. About 3,500 years ago, Rig Veda composed. About 2,500 years ago, cities developed on Ganga and its tributaries. Plus, Iranians and Greeks came through northwest. 2000 AD or CE means 2000 Anno Domini or Common Era is present age. True or false? History is an adventure. It is journey across time and space. It is true. History will help you to understand how this present evolved. It will tell you about the past of the present. True. 2000 BC means 2000 years before the birth of Jesus Christ. 2005 AD means 2005 years after the birth of Jesus Christ. Script of Hindi is Devanagari. Script of Punjabi is Gurmukhi. How ancient coins were different from today's coins. Ancient coins were made of stones, baked clay, and bones, but now coins are not made with this material. Groups grown 8,000 years ago. Crops grown 2,000 years ago are wheat and
8,000
barley.
years ago.
8,000. I said that only.
You said to her.
No. Animals reared by early people were sheep, goat, and cattle. Area to south of Ganga is Magda. Why was Magda famous? It was the large kingdom and its rulers were powerful. Script consists of letters and signs. Where is Rosetta town in Egypt? Where is Rosetta town located? It is in it is a town in north coast of Egypt. What was found in Rosetta? Answer is an inscribed stone. How many and what languages and scripts were used on inscribed stone found in Rosetta? Three languages and scripts were inscribed: Greek and two forms of Egyptian. What are the occupation of people in Andaman Islands? Fishing, hunting, collecting forest produce. What is cartout? Scholars who
What
could
is
read
cartouche?
cartouche. Scholars who could read Greek figured out the names of kings and queens were enclosed in a little frame called cartouche. Archaeologists look for bones. Archaeologists look for bones of animals, birds, and fish. Why do archaeologists look for bones? To find out Eating habits of people in the past. Where is Kandahar now? It is in Afghanistan. What was found in Kandahar? An inscription about orders of ruler Ashoka. What is the best example of understanding history through decipherment? The history of Egypt. Meaning of Indus in Sanskrit is Sindhu. Sorry. So now we have completed the chapter 1 of the history books NCRT. Thank you for watching video. Bye.